Introducing Tristel ULT, a high-level disinfectant foam for ultrasound probes. Tristel ULT delivers HLD at point of care in 2 minutes. Begin by cleaning probe with a low-level disinfectant wipe, such as Protex. To use Tristel ULT, begin by taking a Tristel ULT wipe in one hand and applying 4 doses of the Tristel ULT foam into the wipe. When the 4 doses have been dispensed, close your hand around the Tristel ULT wipe and wait 10 seconds. Use the Tristel ULT wipe to apply the foam in a massaging motion from one end of the device to the other 4 times. After the device is wiped, place the probe on a clean space or back into the probe holder on the ultrasound system. Allow the probe to sit undisturbed for 2 minutes. After 2-minute contact time has been observed, use a Tristel ULT wipe to remove any residue. The device is now high-level disinfected. Questions? Use the QR code to contact Parker Laboratories to schedule a live demo or receive product samples.